You can't float on stumps. What's Amos doing? He's eating a dead fish, I think.
You guys want to go down this way a little bit?
Yeah. Bye, you, Lizzie.
Can I follow you?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Hey, look at that. Look at that red truck up there.
Oh, here comes Amos.
That's a nice truck, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
He's like,
All right,
Mommy,
Amos,
Mommy.
Jump in. You're gonna be brave.
Yeah, we're gonna be brave.
Let's see. I'll get close. He jumps in.
need a better landing spot. Want me to help you? Want me to pick you up and throw you in? Come here.
Here, Amos.
There you go.
Come in the boat, buddy. Let's see if he will. But then if he jumps out, come over here, hon.
Come here.
Come here.
I want to go with you, Lizzie, what the block.
Oh, you want
I'm trying to get this puppy.
Can you go backwards a little? Here he comes. Here he comes. He's gonna get your lap wet.
Come on, bud.
He's like, I don't know, but I want to.
You, Lizzie, I'm going to show you what the block is.
Oh no, you guys didn't scare him. He's just too nervous. And I gotta. Come on, you. He's vicious. Killing
Come
me.
on, you, Lizzie, back
Coming.
up.
All right, I will. I'm trying to get this little pup to come in. Come on. It's okay. Come here. Get over here. Come on.
Too bad you don't have a kibble or something. There you go.
Here, buddy. Amos. Kibble. Do you guys have any kibbles on you?
No.
Come here, Liz. Come here. Come here.
Any old dead mice?
It's kind of hard for you to.
Come here.
Garbage?
Want me to help you? Want me to help him?
Here, just come and talk. A rotten piece of bread?
Beautiful water.
Yeah, it's a little steep.
Is that recording?
Oh, here's a feel, Grandma.
Want to go in?
Oh, you're gonna fall on. It's slippery too because it's icy. Ooh.
You got good.
All right, throw 'em, I'll catch. Oh yeah, you got those nice Merrill boots on.
I go in.
Is it tight enough around your ankles?
Get him, Liz, get him.
I'm trying. Come here. Come here. Come here, Amos. It's okay. Come here. Come on. I'm gonna tip myself trying to get him. He's like, I'm not going in there with you. I need a kibble.
Come here, you little scooch.
I could go get the well.
Come here, little fluffy.
Some treats.
Come here, little fluffy.
Right out.
He might. Here, mommy. Here, mommy. Okay. Oh, boy.
Oh, Ma, sorry. You okay?
Look at him. He's like,
Human's crazy.
he's not happy.
Oh no.
He's not happy.
Okay. Oh, look how scared he is. We'll just float. I'm gonna just float with him. See if he'll get relaxed.
Sorry, Amos. He's like, you betrayed me. Grandmother, you betrayed me.
He doesn't look too scared. A little nervous.
This is fun. Now you have a better angle.
Come on, this is fun. Oh, yeah, it's fun.
Look at that.
Hi, Amos.
He's staying right on my lap.
He's like, I'm not going nowhere.
Where's that puppy?
Hey, he dived in the water. Hey, and that